I'm so pleased to be here at Sun Siyam Resorts and meeting you all. So far, I came yesterday with a seaplane and then a boat. It was a bit bumpy, but once I was here, I said, it's so beautiful. So the first thing I want to share, it's all about how we see it. We can see things as bad, we can see them as good. So hopefully, also today as I go through this, you will also learn how to look out for if a team member is going through a difficult time. How can you help them? How can you support them? Or if a family member go through a difficult time. There's no such thing as a failed goal. As they say, shoot for the stars, and if you miss, you land on the moon.
This session was an amazing session, and
this is the second session that I have attended. It's what it feels like that I have attended the first time.
And this is going to last for a lifetime with the team. Once again, thank you very much.
I don't know how to achieve it, but by applying those 8 principles, I'm pretty much sure that I can achieve those.